Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be buying the pack in Animal Company. It's like the Shark pack, so let's get right to it. Okay guys, so this is the pack. What? Oh my god. Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, it's owned. Alright. Oh my god. I think I was just gonna save the Animal Company coins. Alright. But first we gotta check out the animal. Okay, it's right here. Okay, whoa, it looks pretty cool. Alright, so first we got the shark. Oh, yo. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. This is pretty cool. Alright, my fingers are a little bit weird, but I like it. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. Next is hammerhead shark. Okay, same fingers. Oh, whoa! Look at my eyes! Alright, so that's pretty cool, but the fingers, yeah, okay. And I think it's the goblin shark, yeah. Same fingers, that's okay. Oh, whoa! Oh, whoa. Wait, that's cool, but I think I like the shark. I think I like this one. Yeah, I like this one way better. Alright, I'm gonna have this one for my skin. Alright, so that's... Wait, we forgot to check out the armor. So I think the outfit... Oh, it's right here. Oh, whoa. It's already on. Bruh. Respawn it. I do like it, but like... Oh, wait, there's different ones. Wait, I think there's a different one. There has to be. Yeah, there has to be. Oh my gosh, there's not. Oh, yes, there is. Okay, we got that. I think that was the same one. Okay. Then wait, what's at the start then? Okay, yeah. I don't think I like this. Okay, guys, so I got everything off. So that's the pack. I mean, it was good. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Bye, guys.